Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
We've got a beautiful home ready for you today. Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're in the Panama City area. We have a great little starter home on Sheffield Avenue. They actually converted the garage to make an extra bedroom. Affordably priced, you've got to check this out.
Welcome to the main ensuite in this adorable house. So you've got plenty of space in here, and what's really great is it does have its own ensuite. This home boasts 4 bedrooms, or you could convert the garage that was converted into a room. It could also be another living space. So whatever works for your family.
Hey there, we're over here checking out this cute home on Sheffield, really close to Rutherford High School. And one of the things that I like about it, especially if you have kids running around, is that it's at the end of the street with like some extra yard space. So you can feel good about your kids playing and the dogs playing outside because there's not going to be through traffic. Let's see what Heather has to say.
So welcome to the converted garage. I wanted you to see this area specifically because of this nice built-in, and that's why you could convert this to another living space, or it could be the most divine main bedroom with a nice romantic fireplace. You've got a place to put your TV and everything, and there's so much room in here. So for more information, look at the description below. We've got the listing link so you can get all of the details and answer any more questions you may have.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.